Love is the ultimate law of life. Aww. Good morning, guys. Today's a bit of a lazy day. I'm just going to be at home studying and getting ready for spring break, which is next week. So I'll be packing up my stuff and I'll basically just be home all day. So I thought I would just show you what I'm eating today. And I'm going to finish this up before I make my breakfast. If you're new here, you're probably wondering what I'm drinking right now. This is the green tea apple cider vinegar combination that I have every single morning. I promise this is so good for your metabolism. It is so good for you. It really starts to wake up my body. I also added cayenne pepper to this morning, which will add a little bit of an immune boost. Okay, for breakfast, I'm just going to be having one whole cantaloupe. Goji berries. Coconut flakes. And hemp seed. As you can see, I finished up my melon and it was really good. I feel really satisfied. I also had to cut up the melon. Unfortunately, it wasn't as ripe as I was hoping it would be. And I didn't think it would be, but it's kind of like when you really want a banana and you know you're supposed to eat them spotty, but it's still yellow and like you can eat it and like it'll be fine, but like you really shouldn't. Yeah, it was like that. So I ended up cutting it up because it wasn't really soft enough for my spoon. But it was still really good and I feel very satisfied. I now have somewhere that I need to be. I'm going to pack my green smoothie with me, which I actually made yesterday. So we're going to have to rewind to how I made that. But yeah, I need to grab my jacket and I need to say bye to my fur baby before I go. I always say bye to my dog when I leave and I feel a little bit guilty leaving him, but I will be right back. Without further ado, I'm going to show you how I made my green smoothie for today. For my mid-morning snack, I'm going to make myself a green smoothie and I'm trying out this new spirulina powder, which I've had this before, but it was kind of like a while ago, so I'm trying it again. And this is just an algae in powder form. It's been dried and pulverized. And it's full of vitamins and minerals and lots of protein. So yeah, this is a really great addition to smoothies. I'm just going to combine this with a couple of greens that I picked up at the market over the weekend. And we'll see how it goes. This is what it looks like, by the way. This is what's going to give it that rich green color. I thought I would make for you all a basic salad as my lunch. I know I post this on my Snapchat story a lot, and I get questions about how I make my salads look so good and stuff like that. So basically, preparation is key. At the beginning of my week, I go ahead and I wash my greens and put those into containers. I'll wash my vegetables and chop them and put those in containers. I'll have already cooked quinoa, cooked couscous, cooked sweet potatoes, and those into separate containers and organized in my refrigerator so that during the week I can easily throw together a nice, fresh, healthy salad at lunchtime, and it really saves me a lot of time. I go a little bit more into depth about this in another video, which I will add in here in case you want to check that out and you need a little bit of help prepping your meals during the week. Yes. And that's about it. That's how I make my salad. I'm going to enjoy my giant salad with some steamed sweet potatoes. Again, I already had these in the refrigerator, and all I had to do was warm them back up. If you're not a big salad fan, you can always use these same ingredients and put them into a sandwich or put them on pasta. Just, do what works for you and whatever you like. Preparation is key, like I said before. I'm going to enjoy my salad now, and I will see you all at dinner time. I know it's you all at dinner time, but my assignment is submitted, and I'm so happy about that. So glad I got that out of the way. That is just one more thing that I just had to get done. I'm now going to have some oranges, and these are going to be so good. These are so juicy right now. Hi guys! I am currently studying for my midterms, and my brain has just turned to mush. You know when you get to that point where you've just been studying so much that your brain is just like, I can't do it anymore. Your brain just can't handle it anymore. I hit that wall. Look at this. This is what I've been doing all afternoon. Just here are my notes, and this is what I've been studying. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a night and make myself a little bit of dinner before I wrap up my night and go to bed. And I guess I'll just show you what I'm making for dinner. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It lets me know what you like to see, and it really supports my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Bye! For dinner, I'm going to make myself a Buddha bowl. So I'm just going to start with fresh greens, add some quinoa on top, fresh cabbage, a few cherry tomatoes, roasted bell pepper, and avocado.